Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to control who can join your house on the Clubhouse app. This is an important feature that lets you manage your conversations and make sure only the people you want are part of your discussion. First, open the Clubhouse app on your device. Once you are inside, look at the top right and tap on your profile icon. Next, open the house that you want to manage. On the top right, click on the three-dot menu icon. This will open additional settings for your house. Scroll down through the options until you find the section labeled Who Can Join. Then you will see three different options to choose from. The first option is Open to All, which allows anyone on Clubhouse to join your house without approval. The second option is By Approval, meaning you will need to approve each person who wants to join. The third option is Invite Only, which restricts access exclusively to people you invite directly. Finally, after selecting your preferred option, confirm your choice by clicking Yes. Your house settings are now updated, and only the people you allow will be able to join based on your selection. This gives you full control over your conversations and helps maintain the atmosphere you want in your house.